In this video, I'm going to recreate Coldplay's latest album cover, but I've only got 5 minutes to do it. Yeah, let's go. So before we get started, if you're looking for more tips, tricks, hacks, tutorials, and other design inspiration videos, then make sure you click that subscribe button, and also don't forget to hit that notification bell to get notified every time that I post a new video. So this series is called 5-minute designs, and it's exactly what you think it's going to be. I have to make a design, but in less than 5 minutes. This week's challenge is to recreate Coldplay's latest album, Music of the Spheres. I'm going to recreate the album cover for that in 5 minutes. So we're going to go ahead and get that timer started. Okay, so the new album is called Music of the Spheres, and it's their latest album, and I like it, but it's not like my favorite. I think some of their older stuff is definitely better, but I did like the album cover for it, so we're gonna work with this one. It's got a cool space kind of theme. Now I found this image that I really liked on Unsplash, so we're gonna use that as kind of our base, and I'm just gonna make sure that the circle is in the center of this. We'll do that, and then we'll just make sure that that looks centralized. Cool. Okay, so now let's get our text back. So let's try doing something like this, making this a little bigger here, and then taking this and doing music of the, maybe spacing that out a little bit, maybe bringing the sizing of that in to like, what's that, 90, so maybe like 60. Okay, then we're gonna make that white, like so, and then maybe we're gonna bring the spacing in a little bit more than that, so maybe like 200. Okay. So we'll take that, and we're going to add spheres in. Something like this. Maybe let's just try. Something like that. And then we're going to convert that into a smart object. I'm going to add a stroke around that, make that black, like so, something like that. I'm going to go to make that black there, flip those two around, filter gallery, we'll make that stamp style. It's got a little bit of interest about it. Convert that to smart object, remove the white, convert that to another smart object, change the color to white. Now what we're going to do is duplicate that, filter, blur, Gaussian blur, make it something like that. Let me bring that in a little bit. Okay. So that's something like that, and then we need to add Coldplay's name in as well. I might make that a little bigger, like so. And then I was going to add like an overlay of like spacey colors as well. So let's try to do that while we're here. So bring that in, something like that, and then maybe just add that as an overlay. Not really happy with that. Hang on, we got 1 minute 30 seconds left. Let's try this one. Something like this. And then maybe we'll do that, but then bring the thing right in like so. You need to add some noise here. So we're going to do that. Filter, noise, add noise. 25%, that'll work. Reduce that to like 30. Okay, we've got 1 minute left, so then we need to add Coldplay in here as well. Let's do that quickly, like so. Make that white, convert that to a smart object, filter, I'm going to add a stroke like that, convert that to another smart object. Filter, filter gallery, do that. Boom, convert to smart object. Remove that. Nope, remove that part. Yep. Okay, convert to smart object again. Duplicate that. Filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Do it like so. Convert that into another smart object. Center that up. Like so. Now we're just going to change some of the colors here quickly. We've got a few seconds. Saturation. Maybe just do a little bit of brightness as well. Just bring a little bit of noise back. And that is time. So 5 minutes gone just like that. And it's kind of different to what I was expecting. Like I definitely didn't think it was going to go in that direction when I first started it. But I'm actually kind of happy with that. I really like the light, the blue, the kind of like faded space in the background. Definitely some things I would tweak next time. But we only had 5 minutes, so this is what we got. But yeah, let me know what you think about this design. And I think Coldplay's one's obviously better. They've got a whole design team that spent a long time making this. But I think I could see that on Spotify working quite well. So let me know if you agree. If you've enjoyed this video, then make sure you leave a like. It really does go a long way to helping this channel. And consider subscribing for plenty more videos like this to come. As always, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon.